The possessive pronouns mo, do, a, ar, ur and an are used in a variety of constructions in Gaelic. One of these is éill, and a verbal noun to express a state someone or something is in, like éill mo nàrachadh, embarrassed, literally on my shaming. The possessive word needs to agree with the person or thing being described, so éill mo nàrachadh is used if the subject is me. Bha éill mo nàrachadh. If Ailey was embarrassed, then we'd say bha Ailey ar an nàrachadh. And for a plural subject, hana balwich ar an nàrachadh. The boys are embarrassed. Other feelings expressed in the same way are éill mo harachadh, stressed out, or éill mo líothadh, bored. And the pattern can be used for many different states. Bha doras éill a gúnach. The door was shut. Gúnach, lenited, as doras is masculine. Ha nopeth éill a gianav. The work is done. Gianav, unlenited, as opeth is feminine.